it's her birthday today.
Okay.
Annabelle, come in. Hi, guys. Hey, Annabelle, happy birthday. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. Let's party! Oh, did you hear? Mrs. Hopkins died. Yeah! Wow. Ruin our party. Robert? Yes. Did you hear your mom died? Yeah, she's over there. She's over there. She's dead.
Close the door! We're all going to die in here.
No, we won't, Dad! Listen. We didn't do it. We didn't do it. I believe so. You like shit. You want to be dead, too. She did not get shot, and then she was running away, and she fell. And she hit her head, and she died. I will kill you, fool! Where to go? We don't want to go violent. We don't want to lead to violence, son. You Hopkins. Now, you don't believe that either, do you? Just say you're sorry. Nicholas. Nick, calm down. Are you okay? Yeah. You okay? Go inside. We don't need to get hurt. Come on. Ding dong, Nick. No.